Dietary recommendations for respiratory infections. When cold and flu season hits, maintaining a strong immune system becomes crucial in warding off common respiratory infections. While there's no magic bullet to prevent illness, your diet can play a significant role in fortifying your body's defenses. In this video, we will explore a comprehensive guide to dietary recommendations for colds, flu, and respiratory infections, including foods, vitamins, and other strategies to keep you feeling your best. Vitamin C, the immune booster. Vitamin C is often the first nutrient that comes to mind when discussing immunity. It's a powerful antioxidant that supports the body's ability to fight off infections. Citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are well-known sources of vitamin C, but you can also find it in kiwi, strawberries, and bell peppers. Incorporate these fruits into your diet for a daily dose of this immune-boosting vitamin. Zinc, the healing mineral. Zinc is essential for immune function and can help reduce the severity and duration of colds. You can find zinc in foods like lean meats, poultry, nuts, and whole grains. For vegetarians and vegans, consider fortified cereals, legumes, and seeds as sources of zinc. Probiotics, gut health matters. A healthy gut is a cornerstone of a strong immune system. Probiotics, found in yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and other fermented foods, can promote a balanced gut microbiome. This, in turn, supports overall immune function and reduces the risk of respiratory infections. Garlic, nature's antibiotic. Garlic contains allicin, a compound with antibacterial and antiviral properties. Incorporating garlic into your diet can help ward off colds and flu. You can add it to soups, stews, or simply enjoy it in your favorite dishes. Ginger, soothing and immune boosting. Ginger not only provides comfort for a sore throat and cough but also contains antioxidants that support the immune system. Try ginger tea, add it to smoothies, or use it as a flavoring in various recipes. Turmeric, the golden spice. Turmeric's active ingredient, curcumin, has potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Adding turmeric to your meals, such as curries or golden milk, can help reduce inflammation and strengthen your immune response. Hydration, the unsung hero. Staying well hydrated is crucial when you're sick. Water helps your body flush out toxins, while herbal teas, warm broths, and electrolyte-rich beverages can provide comfort and nourishment. Opt for non-caffeinated options to avoid dehydration. Vitamins and minerals. In addition to vitamin C and zinc, ensure you're getting a well-rounded intake of other vitamins and minerals like vitamin D, vitamin A, and selenium, which are important for immune function. Foods like fatty fish, sweet potatoes, and nuts can help you meet these nutritional needs. Antioxidants, the shield against inflammation. Foods rich in antioxidants, such as berries, dark leafy greens, and nuts, help your body fight inflammation and reduce the risk of respiratory infections. A colorful plate filled with diverse fruits and vegetables ensures you get a broad range of these disease-fighting compounds. Herbal remedies. Herbal supplements like echinacea, elderberry, and astragalus have been used for centuries to boost the immune system. While they can be beneficial, consult with a healthcare professional before adding them to your routine. Get sufficient sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to allow your body to rest and repair. Practice good hygiene. Wash your hands frequently with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. Avoid close contact with sick individuals. Cover your mouth and nose with a tissue or your elbow when coughing or sneezing. Disinfect commonly touched surfaces regularly. Limit alcohol and tobacco. Excessive alcohol consumption and smoking can weaken your immune system. Limit or eliminate these habits to improve your immunity. Exercise regularly. Engage in moderate exercise, such as brisk walking, swimming, or cycling, for at least 150 minutes per week. Regular physical activity can help improve circulation and boost immune function. Remember that no single action will guarantee a supercharged immune system. Instead, it's a combination of healthy lifestyle choices and practices that will help keep your immunity in top shape. Your diet plays a significant role in maintaining a strong immune system and warding off colds, flu, and respiratory infections. By incorporating vitamin-rich foods, minerals, probiotics, and herbal remedies, you can give your body the support it needs to stay healthy. However, remember that a balanced diet, regular exercise, sufficient sleep, and good hygiene practices are all essential components of a comprehensive approach to wellness. Be consistent in your efforts to support your body's natural defense mechanisms, and you'll be better equipped to fend off illnesses and maintain overall well-being. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.